We can't always control the events and situations that happen around us, but we can decide how we respond. As the old saying goes, we've got to make the most of what we've got. So this week, why not choose to create your own silver linings from a challenging situation? For example, how could you realign your goals? What steps could you take to strengthen your relationships? Even how about learning a new skill or getting busy with a project that you've been procrastinating over? Whatever you decide to do, this one thing is true. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come. We only have today, so let us begin. To your success.